Yes, guys, this is the 17 sessions, and last sessions we completed abstract controller, and with example we have seen. Okay, we have seen. I shown you with the example abstract controller. One more time, I'm just recalling these things. This is the BIS controller with the help of abstract controller class. With the help of extending abstract controller class. Abstract controller class. Correct. Okay, wait, it's opening. So up to that, just revise some points. So what is the main intention of the controller? So this is the main intention. To access to business to manage sorry to manage business logic, or to include code in order to access the business logic. Okay. For the controller classes, the Spring Framework had provided one package. This one is a package provided by the Spring Framework, and this is the controller in the interface. You can also implement this interface font. Okay. Otherwise, you can extend this class, and this class having one method called which method? Handler request internal method having abstract controller class having handler request internal method. Okay, this the predefined methods are there inside the abstract controller class. So I used this method and provide some logic, and I want to execute this logic, and return is the model and view object with the name of message and wish. Okay, and with the content. Okay, logical view name with the logical view name. It's returning what is the both logical view name, model and view. This is the model part, and this one is the view part, guys. This one is the view part, guys. Okay, it's returning both. This is the logical view name. Logical view name. Okay, so now shall I run one more time? Okay, just click on run on server. Yesterday we completed this example, guys. Those are missed the last session. Please go and watch the last session. There I will discuss more detail and step by step process I have shown you. Okay, in a YouTube is there. Okay, the videos in a YouTube are there. Go and search iTrick study bar. There you will get this video. I want to server here also. Okay. At the end, I have some announcement for you guys. At the end, I have announcement for you. So be with me. Then I will announce something good for you. But at the end, I will announce. In the YouTube is the one facilities are there. Guys. When the YouTube Premiere is enough, just go and skip the just go. Okay, not an issue. I will, but here I will reveal this good news in the last. Okay, here 404 is coming. 484 is not coming. I think last class is perfectly running or not. It's running, but provide some logical name on I think. Okay, wish. Wish hit enter. The client, hello client, good evening. This message is generated dynamically. This message is generated. So what is the main intention of abstract controller? Here I am giving. The controller class will use to prepare controller class where number of no form data submission is a request. For the no form data submission, but it will display the dynamic content through the web page. This is the dynamic content. This method is there. And some these points are also there where we use this one. Okay. Suppose we click on view profile in the Facebook, just generate the profile data dynamically, na? So, and get jobs also. This is the code. So up to this is good. So now today's and last one more abstract controller having three more controllers. First is the parameterized view controller and base command and multi-controller. When I will discuss multi-controller part, multi-controller action part, multi-action controller, then I will discuss more depth and CRUD operation also. Okay. So wait and you will get a more beautiful content, more good content. Guys. Okay. So now let's go into our discussion. Close all. Today discussion 17 session. Today is what is the discussion? Today's discussion is abstract controller having three. Na? So first one is parameterized parameterizable view controller. Today's discussion is about parameterized view controller, guys. Now the team is okay. So now coming to our discussion, guys. Yeah, good. So parameterized controller, what is the main intention of this controller? Write it. If it is possible, then write it. Otherwise, just listen. Okay. First, I will write, then I will explain. Okay. The main intention of the main of this controller class is the main intention of controller class is to display web page with web pages without without processing without processing request. So this is the main intention. The only this purpose, this parameterized view controller we used, guys. We use. Okay. Now point next is in parameterized I'm writing shortcut parameterized view controller classes. It is not required. It is not required to define. It is not required to define any user-defined controller. Not required to define any user-defined controller class. Rather, it must be configured in Spring configuration file. In Spring configuration file. In Spring configuration file directly, and it will take view name property with what is that, with the logical name of the view name to open JSP page. Okay, here observe, remember, parameterized view controller class is not required to define user-defined controller. Not required. Okay. it must be configured with the configuration file, Spring configuration file directly. And it's take property name as a view name. Okay, view name, take property name with the logical name. Okay. So now when I develop example, then you will get understand. Then you will better understand. Okay. So now in general, write it in general, we in general we will use we will use mechanism when when we want when we want to get some some web pages just by clicking on hyperlink. Okay. This method, this controller is very useful controller. Right? Suppose one is the contact page is there and about us page is there and footer page, footer also is declared as a separate component. Okay, and the JSP component you can use it. Okay, here also like now. So I am going to develop example. Just printing one simple this message. Okay, preparing two pages. I will prepare two pages. First idea and give it to you. I will prepare first home.jsp. Inside the home.jsp, I will give inside the home.jsp, I will give two. I will give two hyperlink. I will give two hyperlink. What is that hyperlink? What is that hyperlink, guys? Yeah, hyperlink is for like about us. About us. Okay. And second hyperlink is contact us. Contact us. I'm giving these two hyperlink. Okay. These two hyperlink and prepare these two pages as a JSP page, guys, like this. Contact us dot JSP. This page is there. Okay. Some data I will provide it. And one more. Like about us. About us dot JSP page. You can prepare any number of pages, guys. Just I am showing these two. You can also prepare like here, you can provide all these things. I mean, suppose if the contact us provide some contact, some dummy information, I will provide it. Some dummy information also about us, I will provide. Next, we provide controller. Okay. Next, we provide one controller dot Java. Controller dot Java. Just controller, not controller dot Java. Just provide some controller. Okay. Here, just provide some logic to control these pages. Okay, to print all these things. And now let's go. These are the project idea. When we click on this, just when we click on like this page about us. Okay, then this one is output is coming. When click on contact us, then simple this page will come. Okay. will show. Okay. So now by using parameterized view controller, I will show how we will do all this thing. Just prepare one example. Otherwise, using same example, copy and paste. Let's try another. No? Just try it. Okay. Just click on this. 1 minute. Stop the server first. Yeah. Just click on new and Maven project. And when the artifact is coming, then wait. For this artifact, I want just retrieving Maven dot web. Let's see. All catalog, like local catalog, artifact catalog, index catalog, catalog. Like archetype dot org dot maven dot like this. Wait some time. It's just in driving the archetype. Wait some time. Wait. It's not reflecting here. Why it's taking time, man? Then just search it. Just search it. It's okay, just search again. Okay. Maven dot archetype dot web. Archetype dot any web. Yeah, this one is there. Okay. Just okay. Maven dot archetype dot maven archetype web. One point is there, I think so. Terminal is there. No? I want to maven central repository. Let's maven dot web is there. Web search. Yeah, 1.4 point is there. Repo one. Okay. Just click on next, guys. Just provide provide one project name. Just provide project name. What is the project number? Is 9. Project number is 9. Spring MVC. MVC. What is that? Wish app using not a Wish app. Not a Wish app. Spring MVC, which controller parameterized JVL view, parameterizable parameterized view controller. Okay, so now provide the artifact ID required. Just provide ITSP. That's it. Here provide the package name, guys. com.itsp. Now click on finish. Give some time and it wrong name. Yeah, just create one more time my when project. That's next. And my central repositories of the my when or some other repository like internal. This one is the quickest start I want to put. This one point is take it out. Nine project is there. Okay, let's provide on dot ITSP. That's it. You can finish. Okay, now creating this. So now this one is not required. Just delete. Mm. Because I'm doing again and again the same process for the you get better clarity. That's why I'm creating again and again. Okay. Uh, you habituate this process. That's why I'm creating. Otherwise, I'm just performing copy and paste operations. But I want to show you. I want to show you how to prepare Maven project. Okay. By using 1 also it's good and 1.4 is also not very good. Just see, just let's see what happens next. Some form related issues are there. Just creating Maven ID type web app. It's downloading. Downloading. It's wait. JPA, this one. This one over the project idea, guys. Okay. Wait some more time. Wait. Just use parameterized controller. How to use parameterized controller? I want to show you. Okay. And completing. Wait, yeah. Yes. If you have a patience, if you really want to learn good thing, then you can watch this video. Okay. If you are hurry and worry mode, please skip the video, go and watch another video. In the YouTube, lots of videos there, like 1 hour, we can learn this thing. In 1 hour, you can learn these things. All the dramas are there. Okay. Here, if you are really want to learn from my trick study work, then you should give me time, then I will give a subject to you. Okay, I will give a confidence. So now here we will get like this. We get this package. Okay. So now here observe this. Observe. One thing is remaining. Test is not coming. Library is also not. Library is coming, but SRC test dot Java is not coming. So do one thing. What is that thing? Just click on right click on the project. Go inside the build path, configuration. Okay. Inside this, just select maybe this one also, and okay. Okay. Just apply and close. Let's see what happens. Now you can see we will get the project like resources folder we get and main folder we get and all the libraries we get, Maven libraries. Here, observe this. When you used 1.0 version archetype, then your Eclipse ID automatically Maven get the 1.5 version JDK. So better to change the JDK version. So come here. I will use the previous JAWS. Okay. Here, we'll provide dependency JUnit. So here, do one thing, build and plugin. Copy this. Otherwise, use properties. Search. Search here. Build in plugin. Build plugin. Everything is learning now. Now we'll get how to import build plugin inside your form.file. Okay. How? Build JDK 11. Okay. JDK 11 plugin. Because I want to JDK 11 plugin. Just search and use the stack overflow. Otherwise, use some thing setting dot awareness. This one is good. Now let's see. Yes, you can use this properties file also. But I'm searching plugin. Yeah, you got it a plugin. Just copy the plugin. Only plugin I want. Copy this. Inside this plugin is there build. Build is there, but plugin is not there. Just copy the all plugins. Okay. Okay. I'm selecting, but it's not selecting. My system are giving it that much. What I have to do here. I increase the RAM. My system right now it's having 8 GB RAM. Yeah. So it's still giving a hangama to with me, then I will even what I do here. Wait, yeah. Why it's opening again, tiger. Idiot. Let's try. Copy this and better close. Better to close. No? So here inside the build, provide plugin. One minute, guys. I want to the plugin configuration. I want to yeah, plugins. Yeah, plugins. Okay. Plugin style. I want so inside the form file. Go here. Just provide one. Inside this build plugins. Inside the plugins, provide the plugin. This one plugin. Just only have paste it here. Which version using Apache Maven? No, this is not for this app. Which this one plugins. This it's only when I got angry. Paste it and it's just fast 11. Then simple. Leave it. Now let's see what happened. Now just update the Maven project. Maven. Download plugin not required. Maven 8 project. This 8 now 9th one I want to update. And selecting each one. Yeah, now it's updated. Now it's updated. Now it's updated. So some jars are required. Just copy these jars from this file. Some context and JSP, some of these jars are required. I posted this code on my Facebook page. Go and collect it. These jars are required. Don't want to go and search jars. Okay. Just perform the search context jar. Just I'm revealing it. Search one code jar. Okay, Spring code and Spring context support and Spring context and commons login and contact. That's it. These jars you can search it. Just save it. Now jar file download. Just starting downloading here you can upload this. All jar file will come automatically. Now our project structure is ready. So first we prepare one controller. First we prepare one controller inside this. OL and class. My controller. Controller extend the what is that? Extend the here you can browse otherwise. Here you can browse extend the abstract controller. Abstract controller. Close it the abstract controller and finish. It's this one is written model and view object. Okay. This controller. This controller having model and view. Just return new model. We have another way. Just I am saying, but okay. Model and view. Model and view. What is the model and view? Just I want to show you. Right. Okay. So now here is RC in the main web app, in the web app. This is the eighth one. So this one file is required, guys. Web.xml is required. Just copy this file. Copy this. Inside this, minimize library is not required. And paste main web app web -inf. This web.xml is there now. So just paste it the files for us to write. Yes to all. Just open dispatcher select. Okay. Now dispatcher select controller configuration is there, but here I'm passing com.myController. Okay. My controller, but I didn't pass any package and directly I provide the class name. Where I provide the class name. Create package com.itsp.controller. Create package. Inside the package is something like it. Okay. So now here create one class my controller. Browse that. What is that constant controller? And okay, this one. So some other place I created. It's okay, no, not data. Data is there. This is returning what that model and view, model and view. Logical name like home. Just prepare the home. New object. Just prepare the home. So inside the pages, JSP home.jsp. Okay. Inside the home.jsp, I want just one H1 tag. Inside the H1 tag, provide one. Just provide some styles. H1 style, color, column red, and text align center. Okay. So now here provide one anchor tag. Anchor tag have href equals to like about us. Okay, about us page. So here about us. Okay. Second anchor tag href equals to contact us. Provide the contact us link. Contact us. Just so now it's giving. Okay. Inside the Spring configuration file, this one is the Spring configuration file. Instead of base, my controller having what is that home? Home. Okay, home. Let's say home is printing or not. Home is launching or not. Let's say. Inside the index.jsp, inside the body, not required body. Just here, I want to forward the request. Okay, the JSP colon forward, JSP colon forward, page name is home. That's it. Home. It's okay. Just provide the slash. Good. Now let's run. First update the project and run. Maybe update. Okay. I will change my as soon as possible. I will change. So now don't panic about this red mark. Just ignore it. Run on the server. Next, remove all. I want only 9. Okay. That's any error we will get. It's not an issue here. Chrome is it's nowadays Chrome is taking so much. 503 service unavailable. Okay. Wait. Inside the errors startup. Okay. Yeah. Error we got. What is that error? Is Spring server dispatcher is not finding. Okay. Class not found. So go and do one thing, do one thing. Why it's not finding? And go into the property. Go into the property guys and deployment assembler. First, here you can search GRE. So the deployment assembler, add entities. Okay, next. This one is the head again. This one is the header. Apply, just select, apply and close. Then stop the server. Update the Maven project. Okay. Now run on server. Yeah. Now next, finish. Okay, what is the error? Could not delete it. Plugin Eclipse. Okay. Again, Maven update perform again. Run on server. Next, finish. Five not three beginning after application dispatcher involved. Same error. Loading. Let's see compared to finally dispatcher son. No protection startups are there with Python classes good. Okay. The properties, let's see, entities are not there. Next, select, apply, just stop the server, run on server. No, code is giving item. Manual giving highlight. But I don't know nowadays it's giving highlight. What happened with this? IDs. Now you can get it. Now you can get it. Now let's contact us, about us. Both the pages are coming. Just provide one thing. Yes. Inside home page, center, and we are. Okay. Now let's refresh. Now it's good. Now it's good. Now when you click on this page, it should go on about us page. And when you click on this, it should go on contact us page. So now let's develop this page. Now let's develop this page. What is the page name is? Contact about us.jsp. Inside the about us.jsp, just inside the h1 tag, style, color, column, red, and text, line, center, about us. About us. This is the page about to write it. Metric study. Study bar means free learning world. That's it. So this is about me. This is about our platform, guys. So now create one more page. Control-C, we just copy and paste. This page is about us and this page is contact us. So now just simple rename this page. Contact us.jsp. Now here just I'm writing contact us. You guys contact me using email like Java by SVK @gmail.com. Okay. So now this is my contact us information. So now these pages are ready. So now I want to configure this page. With the parameterized controller in the where file, in the Spring configuration file. So now here, observe here. So now here, I rotate this point. What is this point? Parameterized View Controller is not required to define any user-defined controller. Not required to define. So I will not define any user-defined controller. Okay. It must be configured in Spring configuration. Yes, I will configure with the Spring configuration and file directly, and it will take view name property with the logical name of the view name to open JSP pages. Okay. So now let's see. Okay. So now here, just start. If other thing is required, I will give it on. Yes. Yeah. What is that? Just provide v name equals to what is the v name? V name is suppose contact. Okay. Contact us. V name is contact us class equals to what is the class? Parameterized view controller. If you don't know, if you really don't know, just go inside the controller, my controller. Right here, one thing, parameterized parameterizable, then it give a suggestion, and it will give suggestion. Parameterizable view controller. Just can we hit enter? Yeah, you can copy this class control apps. Remove this not required here. I save it. Contact us. I'm wearing that the dispatches are like this. So now just minimize this. This one is also minimized. Stop this server. Paste it. Bean is ready. Just inside the bean, we provide the properties. Property, but the name, property name equals to view name. View name. Property name is view name, and provide the value. Provide the value is like, what is the value? Contact us. Provide the value, contact us. Just close the properties, guys. So now next is okay. Next is just copy this. Next is paste it about us. About us. Inside the about us, same parameterized controller and view name and value we pass about us. About that's it. We passed. And we pass in okay. It's all is ready. Now let's try. It's working or not. Let's try. So run on server. Next. Finish. Okay. Now just opening this. Let's try it's going on. Will execute or not. Let's. Yeah. Now contact us page. Contact me using email Java by SVK. Okay. Now come back. All about this. Now in iTrick study bar means free learning world. We are getting on now. Just here, do one thing. Do one thing, guys. One thing is reminding. Inside this, provide one tag. Provide one tag. Inside the tag. VR. Okay, just VR. VR. Okay, in the VR. Just provide one more hyphen link. Anchor tags. href equals to slash. What is that? Home. Okay, home. 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 Copy this and same thing I want here. Just provide here. VR. VR means break line. Okay, break the line. Just let's see. Control F5 you can press and enter control F coming. Coming. When you click home, it's not finding home. Just check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, not a issue. It's not a big deal, right? It's not a big deal. Why? Because I'm pasting, I think slash. Slash is not required. Remove it. Class is not required by mistake or fault. Okay, now just refresh. Control F5. Let's click on this home. Yeah, home is coming. Contact us. Home is coming. No, same. I think it's not saving. I think forget to save this page. Huh? Okay, not an issue. Just control F5. Back. Refresh. Why? Because it's not getting something thing. It's okay. Okay, now refresh. Oh, yes. Now click on About Us page. You can create a number of page and getting them this by using Parameterizable View Controller. Okay. Oh, click on Contact Us. Okay. Now you can observe when you cursor on your content, then it will give a one link. It will generate one link here. You can observe this. You can observe this there carefully, like this, like this. This will contact now. Here, when you click on this, then it will go on this page. Okay. So now, important part is this one. Important part is this one. This one is the important. So I am testing this one. One is the important. Which one? Which one is the important? This one. This one with the first page. Second page is for the second page, guys. This one. This one. And the controller are same. Remaining nothing. Okay. Okay. Now this code I will paste on my Facebook page. And I will study work. There you will get and collect this and perform the operation. Okay. And next video, I will discuss next video one more parameterized controller. Second controller is like multi-action controller. In the next session, I will discuss multi-action controller maybe or some other controller, but it is possibility are there to I will discuss multi-action controller. Why? Because it's having vast and if you having multiple controller, then how you can execute? This is the very, very important. So don't miss the next class and please follow this video, then you will get clarity about the Spring MVC. Okay, slowly I will prepare all this example. Yes, information is there, guys. I am uploading multi-threading video. In one video, I think to 4 to 6 video I will upload in the next Sunday. And next Sunday, one workshop is there, guys. Live workshop is there using Maven. Why? Because I am using Maven. So I decide to next Sunday. Next Sunday, I think so. When is Sunday happen? Taking time, but okay. Next Sunday. Next 5 to 10 days, you will get one video based on Maven also. Thank you for watching. We will meet next session, guys. Okay, this video you can collect from YouTube. This like program. This program you can collect from my Facebook page. Okay, when in the Facebook page, the videos also I will paste. I will upload it. Like I will share videos link also. I said to my team where you upload in the section in the like post section, in the post section in the Facebook. There you can paste this code and as well as videos. Okay, so we'll get clarity. Thank you for watching.